Infection can spread through contact. An experiment we did with experts illustrates the risk of widespread contact distribution. To ensure safety, the space is well ventilated. The participants who have confirmed they're in good health disinfect their hands. One plays the role of an infected person. To simulate what happens when the hands are used to block a cough, he applies fluorescent paint to his palms once every 5 minutes. Then the participants enjoy the buffet for 30 minutes. Let's see how far the fluorescent paint, which represents the virus, has spread. Everything that's glowing is smeared with the paint. It covers a wide area, including tableware and people's hands. This woman's seat is the farthest away. This man is dining alone. The paint is on everyone's hands. 3 people also have it on their faces. One factor behind the spread is this lid. The participants touched it 12 times in all. Things like tongs and the handles of drink containers can also spread the paint. But taking thorough measures can significantly decrease the risks. This time, servers handle the food, and diners frequently clean their hands. Now, no one's face shows any trace of the paint. And stains on their hands drop to just 1/30 of those in the previous experiment.
今まだ治療薬があるわけでもないし、ワクチンもないじゃないですか。できることがやっぱり手指衛生とかマスクとか、もちろん、換気とか、そういうもうユニバーサルな対策っていうのがすごい大事なんだと思います。